What's the meaning of cocaine? Cocaine. Cocaine.
Cocaine. Cocaine. Cocaine is a highly addictive stimulant drug that comes from the leaves of the coca plant, which is native to South America. When taken, cocaine produces a euphoric high by increasing the amount of dopamine in the brain. The effects of cocaine can be intense and short-lived, leading users to seek repeated doses to maintain the high. Long-term use of cocaine can have serious health consequences, including damage to the heart, brain, and other organs. Cocaine addiction is a chronic and often difficult to treat condition that can have a profound impact on a person's life.